Hey y'all, it's Kiya and I'm here today to show you how to make cheese dip in the Instant Pot for the Super Bowl. First thing you'll need is a ground meat of your choice. I'm using ground turkey, black beans, salsa, Velveeta cheese, chopped onion, chilies, and taco seasoning. First thing I'm going to do is put some olive oil in the pot, the Instant Pot, put it on saute, wait until it says hot, which I did before we cut on the camera, and go ahead and start cooking your meat. Now you can see that the turkey meat is done. So now what I'm going to do is drain it. Okay, after I drained everything, now you can just go ahead and add all of your ingredients. So I'm going to add my beans that I washed or drained and rinsed, salsa, onions, and you can saute the onions if you want to. I chose not to. Chilies, taco seasoning, and the cheese. Stir everything up. Like so. Turn off the saute mode. Put your top on, close your vent, put it on manual, down for 4 minutes. And I'll come back and let you know when it's done. Okay, now that the cycle has finished, I'm gonna go ahead and let it natural pressure release for at least 4 minutes. Okay, it's been natural press releasing for 4 minutes. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and let all the steam out by pressing this out, which it already is out. Didn't take that long. Isn't that something? So I can go ahead and open it. And this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and stir it up and get a taste test. Excuse me. Let me go ahead and stir it up and get somebody to come in here and taste test. Okay, y'all, I called my husband down here so he could taste test this cheese dip. Here's a close-up of it. It's nice and hot. All right, go ahead, Lamar, have at it.
Good. Perfect.
You see yourself eating that on Super Bowl?
Mm-hmm.
What team are you going to go for? Who are you rooting for to even make it to the Super Bowl?
Well, if it can't be the Redskins, then I don't care.
Good answer. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you clicking on this channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hit the bell if you'd like to know when I make an upload. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
Bye.